What's the meaning of condescending? Condescending. Condescending.
Condescending. Condescending. Condescending refers to a behavior or attitude that shows a feeling of superiority, typically towards someone seen as inferior. It involves treating others in a patronizing or belittling way, often through the use of dismissive language or gestures. People who are condescending may not directly insult or criticize someone, but their tone and actions still communicate a sense of disrespect. This behavior can be damaging to relationships and make others feel undervalued or resentful. To avoid being condescending, it's important to treat others with respect and empathy, regardless of any perceived differences.